Let's talk about maps and globes. Maps are a representation of a place. They can be made about land, cities, bodies of water, houses, and so much more. A representation is a picture or a symbol. A globe is a representation or model of the earth. On a map, you may see a compass rose. A compass rose is a circle that shows the directions on a map. The cardinal directions are named north, south, east, and west. They each point a different way. There are also 4 ordinal directions. They are northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast. You can see the ordinal directions between the cardinal directions on the compass rose. There are imaginary lines that are drawn onto maps and globes. These lines divide the earth into different pieces. Divide means to separate into parts. Let's look at the word hemispheres. The first part of the word hemi means half. The second part of the word spheres means shaped like a ball. And here you can see where an artist has drawn the earth cut into 2 hemispheres here, a northern and a southern, and over here cut into 2 hemispheres, a western and an eastern. The equator is an imaginary line that goes around the middle of the earth and divides it into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The prime meridian is an imaginary line that runs from top of the earth to the bottom and divides it into 2 hemispheres, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. We can tell someone an exact location by using its latitude and longitude. Latitude lines are imaginary lines that run east or west, and longitude lines run north to south. The equator is a line of latitude. See, it's going east and west. Lines of latitude run east to west around the globe. A good way to remember this is to think of them like the rungs on a ladder. It's latitude, but we say latitude. And so you think of those rungs on a ladder going sideways like this. The prime meridian is a line of longitude, going from the top to the bottom. Lines of longitude run north to south from pole to pole. A good way to remember this is to think of them like the rails of the ladder. They're the ones going up and down, up and down.